guys, I'm back on YouTube. Let's go. But seriously, on my screen there's a thingamajiggy. Imagine a sea. The top thingy looks like a duck. That's what is on my screen right now. Yeah. Whatever. I'm getting free Robux and you're not, guys. I'm getting free Robux and you guys are not. Okay, it's free Robux. We got free Robux. Eh. No! I'm gonna get put in the Bronson Bowl. No! I'm gonna get put in the Bronson Bowl. Oh my god. Oh no, you can't. You just can't. How about sorta? Oh no! No! Whatever. What? How about we go around in golf carts? Wait a minute. Wait a freaking minute. What the fuck? Absolutely, yeah. Give me. Oh my. Life must be so tough. My life must be so tough. Wee. Oh my god. Let's get some jungle nuggets or some fruit punch or some mango fuego hot sauce. When did they add this? What the no, I think that's copyrighted. I can't show that, bro. I can't. Can I? I'm tired of seeing copyright warning on my videos. Thank God I'm not a big creator. We are not in the 1800s. How do they look like? What is their actual? Oh, it's an actually expensive Roblox avatar. That isn't. At least I have a proper Roblox avatar. Okay. So, what is that face, bro? Yeah, Roblox Forest. The freaking. What is going? Why are the freaking minions and Okay. What is going on? Ever since Brookhaven has been acquired by Voldex, it has become an enterprise for companies and investors to invest in an opportunity. Okay. Guys, should I go for CEO of I don't know. This poor Homer. They had to like. What? I can drive the car that. What? I just acquired. Oh, okay, no. Okay, I just found the free Robux van from earlier, guys. 4 minutes later. Oh no, because there's a timer thingy on that. Bro, we are not in the. Bro got a Mustang. Bro got the 0th gen Mustang. Oh yeah, that's the house I'm at. This is not San Diego. It wasn't the freaking Gateway Arch from San Diego. What was it? Is this the Mandela effect? Okay, how about go around in a bobsled? Yes, a bobsled. What the fuck? What? I can't move to the side. This thing is, I feel like I'm piloting a cruise ship. What the? What? Can I just ride my bobsled peacefully? Oh, I'm done. I'm done. What the? So why are horses bikes? Well, why is there a carrot pogo stick, guys? I don't know. Guys. Skateboard! Max speed 50. Wait, this was the person from Oral Gear that had the shittiest avatar. I mean, noob avatars aren't shitty. They're not really noob avatars. They're starter avatars. Just the same thing. They're just starters, not noobs. So they might have potential. Yay! Well, why are the swings abnormally large? What the fuck? If this would have been real life, the chains would have probably, like when I did the freaking loop, they would have probably like bended and they would have banged my head on that metal railing. Oh my god. Wait. Did they fix it? Lay down. It has a sound now. What the fuck? They fixed it! And wasn't it a hit emote? Hit. Wasn't that hit? Hurt. It was hurt, guys. It was hurt. Oh my god. What? What did I... What the fuck? Oh my god. Yo, I'm hurt. Save me, BMW Veyron. Wait! You're the guy. Yeah, I want more free Robux. Give me some more free Robux. I didn't get them the last time for some reason. I need more free Robux, guys. I have the 6. Thank you. Why are you taking me to the hospital? Are you injecting DRUGS with? Okay, no, get the frick out. This is not good. Get out. God damn, his car is locked. No, I'm going to. What the fuck is this? I played this game during the start of the capitalization of Brookhaven by Voldex. No, normal Brookhaven. Brookhaven by Voldex. I just stole it. It's back? When does it go back? It's a monster truck. Okay, that's a very tall monster truck. Guys, I'm gonna have the most Barbie. Actually, no, it's Monster Energy now. It's already 9 minutes. Okay, bye.